Hello and welcome to Fixtastic Solutions. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily hard reset the Android TV box.
Welcome to Fixtastic Solutions, the #1 channel to your solution.
If you're feeling any type of lag or you think your device is running slow, so you can easily fix it by hard resetting it. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily hard reset your device, so follow the video. First of all, you need to open settings. And find reset TV box option. As you can see, tap on it and go to factory data reset. Now just tap on reset TV box. Erase everything. And that's it. Now you have to wait for a few minutes until your device will be hard reset. And that's it. The device has been successfully factory reset. Now you just have to connect Wi-Fi on your Android TV box. And now you can see your all pre-installed apps in my apps folder. As you can see, there's YouTube, Netflix and a lot. So let's try running YouTube. And as you can see, the performance is improved. So thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up if this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.